CIVIVI Praxis knife. This is a few years old knife. I have had to fix this. I bent this. This got stuck on something and got bent out. But this is the knife. It's extremely nice. You can see it definitely has some wear there. I had to actually take this off and bend it back in because it just got stuck. You know, that can happen on any kind of clip. You see the blade here has had some wear on it. But this is the CIVIVI. You have your line lock right there. So if I open this up, you'll see it does open up real nice. It does have some wear. But all in all, I think it's a nice knife. I like the G10 handle. It's a smaller knife, right? So if I show you that compared to your hand, that's the size of that, and that's the size of that, maybe like a 3-inch knife. But yeah, fatter blade. And you know, this hasn't been sharpened in a long time. Yeah, so I have to sharpen this thing up. But when it showed up, it was very, very sharp. So that is the CIVIVI Praxis.